This video examines the science behind swollen batteries and the risks associated with lithium polymer technology. Understanding why these batteries fail is essential for maintaining safety. Swelling is a critical safety hazard caused by internal gas accumulation. As electrolyte chemicals decompose and degrade over time, the buildup of pressure inside sealed batteries can lead to fire or explosion. It is important to categorize the swelling process. Minor thermal expansion during heavy use is often reversible, whereas chemical failure resulting from internal damage is irreversible and represents a significant structural failure. Liquid electrolytes decompose over time, generating byproducts like carbon dioxide, hydrogen, and carbon monoxide. These gases are highly flammable and contribute to the structural instability of the battery cell. The solid electrolyte interface, or SEI, normally protects the battery. However, high temperatures cause this layer to grow continuously as lithium ions react with solvent molecules, releasing excess gas in the process. Battery failure can stem from manufacturing defects like encapsulation failures or from user errors such as constant overcharging and physical damage. Identifying these root causes is key to prevention. Temperature extremes destroy battery chemistry. Intense heat accelerates chemical breakdown, while extreme cold increases electrolyte viscosity, which disrupts charging and can lead to uneven, damaging distribution. Watch for physical symptoms of a failing battery. These include casing distortion, stiff or raised keyboards, device wobbling on a flat surface, rainbow marks on the screen, or a strange, sweet chemical odor. Monitor your device's performance closely. Warning signs include rapid power loss, overheating during light tasks, or sudden system shutdowns without any prior warning. Swelling can lead to thermal runaway. When internal pressure ruptures the casing, oxygen enters the cell and mixes with flammable electrolytes, igniting a self-sustaining chemical fire. If you detect swelling, follow the emergency protocol. Power off and unplug the device immediately. Isolate it from flammable materials and place it in a safe container. Never puncture or flatten the casing. For disposal, never use household trash. Instead, tape the terminals to prevent short circuits, seal the unit in a plastic bag, and deliver it to a certified e-waste facility. Optimize battery lifespan by finding the sweet spot. Keep charge levels between 20 and 80%, avoid prolonged periods at 100%, and prevent deep discharges to 0. Deploy smart safety technologies by using certified chargers, installing firmware updates to manage thermal limits, and enabling adaptive charging features to reduce chemical wear. Finally, track your battery data. Manufacturers often require documentation like QR codes, charge cycle counts, and storage logs for any potential replacement compensation claims.